Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix a locked account on Snapchat. But you could do actually is to, well, use another account. It's the most no-brainer option to do if you just want to use your Snapchat account right away, just to log out and delete all of the data over here on your Snapchat. Create a new account basically, and not to use your old account anymore. But what if you want to gain access from that account, and you can't really do so? You have a lot of data there, some Snapchats and some chats from other people that you don't want to, leave behind. What you could actually do is to contact the Snapchat support team and let them do the unlock for you. And well, in order for you to contact them, all you need to do is to basically head on over onto the Snapchat support.a website, and that is Snapchat or rather a support.snapchat.com. And it's going to give you a bunch of options to actually contact Snapchat so that you may report a specific issue and let the Snapchat team to regain access to your account, and of course subsequently to give you access as well. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.